My name is Koko Tamuno Iminabadoke. I am a data analyst and I'm also a data scientist. So the purpose of this video is to show you my skills in data analytics. So I will examine a project. The project I will examine is for a CMO, Chief Marketing Officer, on his product, which is called what? Chips. So the Chief Marketing Officer wants what happened here? Sorry for that. So the CMO, Chief Marketing Officer, wants to know about his product chips. He wants to expand his business. So the purpose of this video is for me to tell him the particular set of customers he will concentrate on by examining the data set. So the data set I will examine is a one full year data set on chips category and on customer behavior. So knowing that, let me show you my skills in data analysis. So let me import the data. But before I import the data, I'm going to use Arrow Markdown file. Arrow Markdown file is it's the best for what? For data analysis. So let me name the project Chips Marketing Category. Chips Marketing Chips Marketing Category. That will be the name of my work, Chips Marketing Category, for the Chief Marketing Officer. So I'm going to import my data sets. Let me import my data I'm going to analyze, and I will name this particular place load packages. Load packages, because if you don't have them installed, you need to load them. So I'm going to use data table. I'll use data table for my EDA. I'll use ggplot2 for plotting the graph, plotting graph, and I'll use and I'm also going to use reader. I'll use read Excel. I'll use read Excel. I'll use then these are the packages I'll use for my data analysis. And the reason why I'm using Arrow Markdown file, or the reason why I'm using Arrow Studio, because Arrow Studio is the best for what? For data analysis, because of it's free for everybody. And after Arrow Studio, another great app to use for data analysis is Jupyter Notebook. That's Python. You can also use it. It's good for what? Data analysis too. Then you can also use SQL to query your file. SQL too is also good for data analysis. But because of how complex the data is, and because of the purpose of this video, I'm going to use what? Arrow Studio for my data analysis. So let me set the working directory. Let me set working directory. Let me choose directory. So I will go to desktop. I will go to I save the folder in what? Quantum. Yes, this is where I saved it. So let me copy this. Sorry for the let me copy this and put here. And then this what this is okay. Then let me list files. Let me run it. Okay, okay. I think there is some error which is overwritten by what data table, which is okay. GG mosaic. I think this one should come under here, and I'll delete this one. Then I think I should run it again, and so there will be no error. As you can see, there is no error. So this arrow markdown file is used for what? Is used for data analysis. So let me I'm coming. This is how you do arrow. So let me view the data set. Let me view the data set so that I will be able to perform EDA. EDA is called what? Explanatory what? Data analysis. So let me view the data sets. Okay. So we can see that the two data set I'm working on is what? Purchase behavior and what? Transaction what? Data. And these two data set is for a period of 1 year. You know, the chief's category manager or the chief marketing officer wants to what? Expand his businesses. So in so doing, he wants me to what? Analyze his data and know the customers he wants to what? Concentrate on. And before I start, you know, as a data analyst, you should be very curious. You know, you should know the problem you want to. That's the first step as a data analysis, knowing the problem of the company. You know, you should be curious. You know, you ask questions, ask several questions, because through those questions and answers, that is when you will know how to what? Perform your what? Data analysis. Then when you have gotten your answers, you perform what? EDA. EDA is called what? Explanatory data analysis. That is the what? That is the most important step for data analysis. EDA, explanatory what? Data analysis. So let me go ahead and what? And import the data so that I'll be able to explain further. So I'll name the transaction data, and it's under what? Excel file. Excel. And I'll go here and copy this. Control C. Customer. Customer. Then I'm going to set it to data. Okay. Then I'll use what? str. Is a function in R to view the summary of your words of your data set. So let me view the summary of what? The transaction data. Transaction data. And I'll also what? View the summary of what? The customers behavior. Coming. Let's give me a second. Okay. This is for what? Customers what? Behavior. Summary of what? Customer. Okay. customers what behave. Okay, let me state here. Customers behavior. So let me go ahead and run this. I'll run this first. As you can see, this is the summary of what the cost, the transaction data. We can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 columns, and within those 9 columns, we have the date, the store number, the loyalty card number, transaction ID, product number, product name, product quantity, and what product sales. So in EDA, explanatory data analysis, the first thing we need to analyze is what is the date. We need to analyze the date. Since it's a period of 1 year, we need to what turn the date into what the normal date what format. As you can see, this is not the normal date format, so we need to turn it to the normal date format, and we are going to concentrate on what the chips, the product name. But since this chief marketing officer wants to know about what the customers that that are buying his product more, so we are going to perform EDA on what the product name. We are going to also perform EDA on what on everything, on all the columns. So let's check the customer behavior. So let's view it. So we can see that this is the customer where we have the loyalty card number, we have the life stage, we have the premium customer. These are the 3 columns. We can see that the um, loyalty loyalty card number is unique for each individual. Each customer have their what loyalty card number. And we can see the life stage. We have young single couples. We have young singles or couples. We have young singles or couples, and we have what older singles and couples. This is also what a good summary of the fact. I think we should view the data sets. We should view it. That will also be good for us. We should view it. We should view the data sets. Let's view the data sets and see what's going on. Let's view it. View the data sets. View the transaction data, and we're going to view customers behavior too. Customers behavior. Let's view both of them so that we can also have a good what analysis of the both data. We can see the customers behavior. You can see that we have the loyalty card number, which is unique to all the customers. You can see we have the life stage. We have what young singles or couples. We have young families, and we have older singles or couples. We have what mid-age singles or couples. We have new families, and we can see under premium customer we have premium, mainstream, and what budget what customers under the customers what behavior. And this is the main this is the also this is the main transaction data set, which contains the product name, the product number, transaction ID, loyalty card number, what and the store number.